Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this last question number 5 of exercise 2.6. Okay, so here basically multiplication of two decimal numbers are there only, students. In previous question we have seen multiplication of one decimal number and one whole number. Okay, now here we will see the multiplication of two decimal numbers. Okay, so the process or the procedure for solving this multiplication or finding the product of these numbers also same. First, what you have to do, you have to forget about decimal. You have to consider as if you have been given to multiply two whole numbers. Okay, and then you have to find out the product forgetting about the decimal, and then after what you have to do, see here we are having two decimal numbers, so you have to count the number of digits after decimal in one number and then number of digits after in decimal in second number, and then you have to place the decimal in the result. Okay, I will explain you, I will show you how. First let me explain first question, starting followed by equal to sign. See, we have here 22.5 into 0.3. so first we will forget that they are decimal numbers. So if you will forget, then it will become 25 and it will become 3. So if you will multiply 25 into 3, how much you will get? 25 3 is 75. Now we will recall the decimal. So here if you will see, in first number we are having decimal after one digit, in second number we are again having decimal after one digit. So in result you have to add them, that is after one digit means 1 plus 1. In the result you have to place the decimal after two digit. ठीक है, एक डिजिट के बाद यहाँ पे था, एक डिजिट के बाद यहाँ पे है, तो रिजल्ट में जो है वो दो डिजिट के बाद होगा. अगर सपोज यहाँ पे दो डिजिट के बाद मीन्स वी आर हैविंग अ नंबर ऑफ सेगमेंट्स, सो एज the questions type will come, I will explain you at that time. Now here after two digits we will place the decimal, and you know we are starting our counting from rightmost part. I have already told you. So यहाँ से हम start करेंगे count करना 1 2 and here we will place the decimal. You can place here 1 0 so that it will look in standard form. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या करना है, this one will be your final answer. Nothing else you have to do, students. Okay, now moving to next segment number 2. Segment number 2 we are having, students, 0.1 into 51.7. okay, now forget that as if they are decimal numbers, so it will become 1 and it will become 517. so 517 1 ja 500, how much you will get? 517 only. Now after decimal here we are having one digit, and after decimal again here we are having one digit. So in the result we will place the decimal after two digit, 1 plus 1 2, so 1 2. Now place the decimal here and this one will be your final answer. Now moving to next segment, I hope you all are following me, students. Now moving to next segment, 0.2 into how much? 316.8. okay, now again we will forget that as if they are decimal numbers, as I told you. Now we will multiply. I am doing the rough here, students. 300 point into 2, okay, into 2. okay, so 8 2 ja 16, 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 13, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3, 3 2 ja 6. so how much you will have? 6 3 3 and 6. now see here after decimal we are having one digit, and here also after decimal we are having one digit. so in the result we will place after two digit, 1 2, place it here decimal. This one will be your final answer. Now moving to next segment number 4, students. Segment number 4 is 1.3 into 3.1. okay, so forget that as if there is any decimal. okay, now multiply 13 and 31, right? yes, so 1 3 is 3, 1 1 ja 1, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 ja 3, right? 3 0 4. so you will have see if any calculation mistake will be there students, then I hope that you will manage it, because see I have already given you the concept how to place the decimal. So finding out the product is very easy, and I think that you have been learning since your childhood. And while doing the sum here live, see sometimes we are committing mistakes because these calculations are very minute, and we are not having that much of presence of time. Okay, so let me for security let me check once again. 3 1 3 1, okay, 9 3 1, yes, correct. Okay, now here after decimal 1 digit. Okay, so write the product 403 followed by equal to sign. Now here after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, so at the result we will place the decimal after 2 digit. Okay, 1 2 and finally decimal. So moving to next segment. Okay, next segment is 0.5 into 0.05. 0.5 into 0.05. Okay, now if you will forget the decimal, it will become 5 and it will also become 5. So if you will multiply them, you will get 5 5s are 25. Now here after decimal 1 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, means at the result we will have to place the decimal after how many digits? 2 plus 1, 3 digits, and in the result we are having only 2 digits, so we will have to make it 3 digit by placing 0 here, not here, otherwise it will become 250. Here if you will place the digit 0, then still it is 25, and then place the decimal. Okay, so this one will be your final answer. Now moving to next segment, segment number 6. 11.2 into how much? 0.15. Okay, now forget that is any decimal is there. So 112 multiplied by 15. Okay, so 5 2 10, 5 1 5, and then 5 1 5 plus 1 6 na yaar. Okay, so 5 1 again 5 0, then 2 1 1 okay, 0 8 6 1. So you will get after multiplication you will get 1680. Now after decimal we are having 1 digit, after decimal we are having 2 digits. Okay, so in the result we will place the decimal after 3 digits. So 1 2 3, place your decimal here, and finally it will be your answer. Moving to next segment, segment number 7. So segment number 7, what is there? We are having 1.07 into 0.02, right students? Okay, now so multiply, first you multiply them. 107 into how much? 2, right? After forgetting the decimal, 7 2 you will get 14, and then 2 1 2. So after multiplication you will get 214. Okay, now here after decimal we are having 2 digit, and here also after decimal we are having 2 digit. Means in the result we will have to place the decimal after how many digits? 2 plus 2, 4 digit, and here in the result we are having only 3 digits. So make it 4 digit number by placing 1 0 here, and then place the decimal, and then this one will be your final answer. Moving to next segment, segment number 8. It is 10.05 multiplied by 1.05. So first you multiply them. Okay, 1005 after forgetting the decimal, and 105. So 5 5 you will get 25. Here 0, here 1, here 0, here you will get all the zeros. Okay, then again 2 zeros, 1 5 0 0 1 okay, 5 2 0, then 5, then 0, then 1. So this much you will get after multiplying them. You will get 1050. Again and again I am telling you students, maybe that there's a simple calculation mistake will be there, so I hope that you will manage it. Okay, now see here after decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits. After decimal how many digits? 2 digits. Means at the result you have to place the decimal after how many digits? After 4 digits. So start the counting, 1 2 3 and 4. So after 4 digit place the decimal, and thus this one will be your final answer students. Okay, now moving to next segment, segment number 9. Okay, segment number 9 is given as 101 into 0.01. Okay, so if you will multiply them, then how much you will get? 101 only, okay, because after multiplication after forgetting the decimal number, यहाँ पे ये क्या बन जाएगा 1 बन जाएगा, तो इतने को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो उतना ही आएगा, है ना, ठीक है। तो क्या होगा 1 0 1, देन यू विल गेट 0 and 1। नाउ अब डेसिमल का नंबर है, ठीक है, तो आफ्टर डेसिमल हियर 2 डिजिट्स एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल हियर ऑल्सो 2 डिजिट्स, सो at the result we will place the decimal after 4 digits, so start counting 1 2 3 4, now place it here, then this one will be your final answer, okay। Now moving to last segment students, so for that I need a space, so I am going to rub it। Now here we are having the 10th segment, last segment, okay, so it is 100.01 into 1.1, okay, so I am going to multiply it here students, after forgetting its decimal it will become 100.01 into 11, okay, so 1 1 ja 1 0 0 0 1 1 ja 1 0 1, okay, 0 0 0 1, this much you will get 1 1 0 0 1 1, okay, so in the final product you will get as 1 1 0 0 1 1, okay। Now after decimal we are having here 2 digits and after decimal here we are having 1 digit, means in the result we will have to place the decimal after how many digits, 2 and plus 1 after 3 digits, so start your counting 1 2 3, so here you will place your result and this one will be your final answer। So this was your question number 5 students, I hope you might have understood and thank you so very much for connecting with me।